Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create new Gmail account from mobile. Firstly, get up into the application, tap on the three dots on the left upper side, then scroll right down, go for settings, and then go for add account on the last selection. Now you can select whatever you want. I will choose up the first section, and then here you need to verify that it's you. After you get up into that section, you can go for create account on that fiction. Now you can choose for yourself or for managing your business. I will go for myself. Here you can add name, also surname, then go next. Here you need to enter your informations, in which you need to enter your birthday. Yeah, then go next. Here you need to choose the email address in which it will be related on your site. Then you need to add your password and it will be created your new Gmail account. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.